Hello everyone, myself Nishi Malvia. Today we will discuss about aggregation and inheritance with design of ER schema in DBMS. Aggregation means collection or gathering of things together. Aggregation is a process in which a single entity alone is not able to make sense in a relationship, so the relationship of two entities acts as one entity. I know it sounds confusing, but don't worry. The examples we will take will clear all the doubts. In this example, the relationship rights and entity type author are aggregated book into a single entity type to show the fact that once the author is written book, then only it gets published. The relationship published by is a many to one relationship. A book written by group of authors can be published by only one publisher. In the ER diagram, the relationship rights between entity type author and book can be treated as single higher level entity called rights. Using a rectangular box, we will aggregate the entities. Now, sometimes in ER diagram is not capable of representing relationship with an entity and a relationship which may be required in some cases. In those cases, a relationship with its corresponding entities is aggregated into a higher level entities. Now, another example of aggregation is employee working for a project may require some machinery. So, require relationship is needed between relationship works for and entity machinery. Using aggregation works for relationship with its entities employee and project is aggregated into a single entity and relationship require is created between aggregated entity and machinery. Now inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance, as the name suggests, it is a feature to inherit or to get some characteristics or properties from higher level to lower level. Similarly, inheritance is a feature in DBMS which allows lower level entities to inherit the attributes of higher level. Inheritance is an important feature of generalization and specialization. Inheritance has two types of entities, subtype entity and supertype entity. Subtype entity. A subtype entity is an entity type that is meaningful to the organization and that shares common attributes or relationships distinct from other subgrouping. Supertype entity. It is a generic entity type that has a relationship with one or more subtypes. In general, subtype entity inherits properties from supertype entity. Now, here are some examples of inheritance. In this example, employee is a supertype entity which has attributes employee ID, address, employee name, and has three subtypes entities: hourly employed, salaried employed, and consultant. These three subtypes has its own attributes as well as derived attributes from its supertype entity called employee. Another example is person. Here person is a supertype entity which has two subtypes, student and teacher. Student has its own attribute roll number and teacher has ID number, as well as they both share the attributes of supertype entity name, age and gender. In this way, a person supertype with two subtypes student and teacher shows inheritance. Some advantages of inheritance are: inheritance avoid duplicity and data redundancy. It is used to generate more dominant objects. It saves time and effort. Data hiding. Thank you.